What's the meaning of biopic? Biopic. Biopic.
Biopic. Biopic. A biopic is a film or television production that tells the story of a person's life. The term biopic is a combination of the words biographical and picture. Biopics typically focus on famous historical figures, musicians, artists, or other influential people. They often depict significant events, struggles, triumphs, and personal relationships in the subject's life. Biopics can provide audiences with an intimate look at the lives of their heroes, offering insight into their personalities, motivations, and accomplishments. Some notable biopics include The Social Network, Bohemian Rhapsody, and Selma.